Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your language exchange with Meetup, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your language exchange with Meetup, start by visiting the Meetup website or app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Make sure to fill out your profile with relevant information about your language skills and interests. Use the search bar to look for language exchange groups in your area. Consider using filters to narrow down your options based on language, location, and activity type. Once you find a group that interests you, click on it to view more details. Read the group's description to understand their focus and the expectations for members. Check the upcoming events scheduled by the group to see if they fit your schedule. If you find an event that works for you, click on the RSVP button to secure your spot. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the group rules and guidelines before attending. Prepare for the event by brushing up on your language skills and selecting topics you'd like to discuss. On the day of the event, arrive on time and be open to meeting new people. Engage actively in conversations, and don't hesitate to ask questions. It's important to offer your assistance to others who may want to practice your native language. After the event, consider providing feedback to the group organizer to help improve future meetings. Stay engaged with the group by participating regularly and attending more events. Over time, build connections with fellow members to create a supportive language exchange community. Continue to explore other Meetup language exchange groups to broaden your experience. Remember that consistency is key to improving your language skills through interaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.